Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Hi guys. So, malam ni kita akan main satu game uh, horror yang bertajuk Side Hustle. Okay, so awkward sebab kenapa main menu dia terlalu sunyi, sepi, macam tak ada kehidupan. Okay, so tak apa. Tapi description tentang game ni tak terlalu banyak. Tak terlalu panjang, tak ada penjelasan. Cuma tentang Gary. So, siapa Gary? Mari kita find out. Kita buka setting dulu, kita tengok volume, full screen, so nothing much. So kita play lah. Okay, kita bismillah guys. Tak tahu trauma apa lepas ni. Okay, so mari kita play the game. First day. Hari pertama bekerja. Confirm. So, who is that? Okay. Macam alien tu. Okay, so kita dekat satu town. Is it town? Ada 1, 2, 3 rumah je. So kita dekat bus station. Okay. Apa ni? Welcome to Wifmont. Settle 17 23. Okay. Oh, that's a person. Ada lagi seorang kat situ. Oh, thumbnail. Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sekejap, sebelum kita pergi kat dia. Okay. Turner. Hey, Gary. Oh, kita Turner ke? Kita lah Turner kan? Ke dia Gary? Siapa dia ni? Okay. Going to work this early? Pergi kerja seawal ni? Hey there, yes, it is going to be busy today. Yes, now get out of the way. Janganlah jahat sangatlah, okay. Cool lah Gary. Kita Gary ke? I'm going to play on the playground. Okay, Turner. Bye. Kita Gary? Tunggu, nak ikut. Hi Gary. Wanna play rock, paper, scissors? Nak main batu putih kertas? Huh? Okay, guys. Mana guys? Cepat. Okay. Rock, paper. I choose paper. You lose. Oh, kita Gary. Dia lah Turner. Okay, kita Gary. You lose. Sampai hati kau. Kau tak bagi can langsung lah. Ni muka siapa dia ambil ni? Dia pun lupa ke? Okay, so let's go. Biarkan si Turner tu. Kita nampak lagi seorang kat sini. Okay, so siapa dia ni? Pakcik, Assalamualaikum. Old man Pat. Good morning, Gary. Kenapa kita asyik disebut ni? Okay. Selamat pagi, Gary. Macam mana? You know, another day at the store. Not bad. How are you doing, Pat? Inilah. Not bad. How are you doing, Pat? Could be better. My wife Edith wants me to get a new carpet again. Isteri aku nak aku dapatkan kapet baru lagi. She's saying our old one keeps moving every time we leave the house. Dia cakap kapet lama dia asyik bergerak setiap kali dia tinggalkan rumah. Dapatkan rumah baru, Pat. So I will probably see you soon. Okay, see you soon, Pat. Don't worry. But I suggest you to buy a new house because I think your house is haunted. Sebab kenapa tiba-tiba kau keluar tiba-tiba kau punya boleh lompat. Boleh tak boleh. Okay, so ni adalah Gary's carpet value. Okay, thumbnail. Boleh lompat ke? Sekejap, happy aku. Lucky Lanes. Oh ni. Oh, by the way, this is game dia yang lain. Okay, yang nak download boleh download. Nanti kita main game tu, okay? kita main game ni dulu sebab saya jumpa game dulu. Okay, close. So ini adalah kedai kita. Assalamualaikum. Oi. Alright, time to start the day. Masa untuk mulakan hari. I should turn on the lights first. Okay, aku patut buka lampu and flip the opposite side, of course. Okay. Piu. So Weh, saya gelap gulita. Tara. Kita jual kap awalnya baru kat lampu tutup. Hai, sabar jap. Kau duduk situ je, aku dah. Oh my god. Bagi kita buka lampu dulu. Kita meniaga kena nak buka lampu. Okay, so ni stok kita lah, tak banyak pun. Kita boleh. Okay, Yechi, selamat pagi, selamat datang. Cari apa? Oh, Ryan. Hello, Gary. I need a new rug for my apartment. Aku perlukan new rug. Guys, tapi macam aneh kan? Sebab semua orang tahu satu sama lain, tapi dan this town agak-agak sunyi. Sangat sunyi. I need a new rug for my apartment. Can you get me a blue rug? Oh, dia nak kapet biru. Sure thing, let me take a look in the back. Only if you say please. Tak payahlah. Okay. Sekejap aku tengok kat belakang. Okay, thanks Gary. Okay, jom. So, kita tengok dekat belakang. Dia warna biru. Ni biru kan? Is this blue or is this blue? This is blue and this is blue. Tapi ini lebih blue. So yeah. So kita bagi dia. Hey. Okay. So bukan yang tu. Yang ni. Okay. Thank you. This rug is nice. I'm going to put it down immediately. Jangan immediately. Kalau basuh lu. Wow. Apa saja tiba-tiba. So laju sensitivity dia. Tutup. Oh, ada orang datang. Siapa ni? Pat. Okay, let's go inside. Kita tu keluar. Kau masuk dalam. Okay, tutup dulu. Pat, cari apa? Hello Gary. Hello Pat. My wife Edith sent me. Of course, you told me before. We need a new carpet because she thinks our old. Okay, sorry. We need a new carpet because she thinks our old one is haunted. No, it's rumah kau yang haunted sebenarnya. Bini dia suruh cari kapet baru sebab dia rasa kapet dia tu bantu. Sebab setiap kali dia orang keluar rumah, kapet dia tu bergerak. Tapi kenapa kapet tu yang okay, she thinks the carpet moves every time we leave the house. Mungkin okay, ataupun mungkin sebenarnya fikiran dia dah terlalu tua guys. Biasalah orang tua. Okay, can you get me a nice white rug with crosses on it? Crosses. Okay. Okay, coming right up. Thank you. Okay, kita cakap je tak payah nak basa-basi. Yang ni ke kenapa aku terus tahu Thanks Gary. Welcome Pat. I hope she will like this one. Otherwise you will see me again tomorrow. Aku harap dia suka pada dia. Kau akan nampak aku lagi esok. Dia macam husband yang stress juga bini dia. But it's okay, never mind. So customer. But kenapa kota ni terlalu sunyi Rasa tak? Dia macam ada phone call. Cik tu itu. Sabar. Hello? Am I speaking to Gary? Who is this? Inilah. Help. That's what you call it? I know what your shop is really for, Gary. You can't hide it forever. Aku tahu apa aku tahu apa kegunaan kedai kau sebenarnya. Kau tak boleh sorokkan benda tu selamanya. Soon everyone will know. Tak lama lagi semua orang akan tahu. Hello? Hello? Oh. What was that all about? Probably just a prank caller. I'm too tired today. I should close the shop early. Time to turn off the lights, flip the office, I go home. Aku baru 2 customer aku dah tu lah. Try aku. Okay. Seramnya. Sakit hati aku. Sorry guys, if that shocked you. Okay. Who was that? Must be some guy playing a prank on me. I'm over today. I hope tomorrow is going to be better. Mana tadi yang lari-lari, sakit kepala aku, terkejut. Okay, so kita balik, kita tidur, kita rehat. Second day. Okay, kita balik, kita tidur, kita rehat. Okay, cepat. So ni adalah hari kedua. Ui, Abe mata hijau be. Alah abang. Eloknya abang. Look. Okay. This town's got a strange feel to it. Yeah, of course. Sebab terlalu sunyi, burung tak ada, kucing tak ada, lembu, ayam semua tak ada. Are you from around here? What do you mean by strange? Okay, yang ni lah, atas lah. Tanya, you around? No, just passing through. Would you stay here if you paid me? Betul? He looks down the road, waiting for the bus, avoiding eye contact. Dia tengok road, tunggu bus, dan tak ada eye contact. Dia takut fall in love. Settle masalah. Okay, so belakang ni ada apa guys? Oh, boleh pergi lah. Kalau kita pergi jauh-jauh, oh tak boleh. Ingat dia bagi apa belakang, keluar map. But tak ada. Travel. Oh. Turner. Oh, Turner nama dia. Hey Gary, up here. Another day at the store. By the way, Gary, can I tell you something? What is it, Turner? Oh, there was this man here earlier. He was asking a lot of questions about you. But I didn't say anything. I promise. Dia nak bagi kita percaya lah tu. Dia tak cakap apa-apa lah tu. Dia tak kutuk kita. Boleh lah. Tak payahlah. Dia bukan pakar. Okay. So itu je. Ni berapa dah? Okay. So kita buka kedai Oh salah. Lampu kita kat sini. So kita open sign dulu. Itu I hear delivery truck coming. I should go outside and get my package from the truck. I can put the boxes in the back of the store on the floor. Okay. Oh. Ambil sendirilah. Tak pernah orang masuk lori ambil sendiri. At least pasti ada orang turunkan dari lori. Takutlah. Okay, so Mbak kata isteri part. Dia cakap kapet dia bantu. Adakah kotak kita sebenarnya bantu? Apa? Oh, collectible. Ada lagi tak? Habis. Bahari ke? Okay, never mind. Ambil kotak kedua. Kita bawa masuk. Ni? Oh, bukan tips. Lah, jadi salah fokus. Okay. Sorry guys, dia punya controlnya agak-agak macam game tembak-tembak. Tak betul sikit. So, okay. Kotak ketiga. Okay, kita pergi cari lagi. Cari lagi. Kita pergi ambil lagi. Oh, macam kau. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Weh, aku terkejut betul. Aduh. Siapa ni? Kau. Siapa je aku letak kotak dulu. Boleh tinggal macam tu. Okay, jap. Yeah. That take care of. Okay. Sorry. Wih, lomok tinggi lah pula. Okay. Tony. Okay. Hi, see you got some new inventory. Yeah. Any good stuff in there? Carpet. Nah. I need some exclusive goods. Hey, Tony, you scared me there. Yeah, we got some fresh new rock. Aku terkejut lah Tony. Didn't mean to. I'm in need of some rocks, you know. I'll see you inside. Kenapa tak masuk ke? Apa masalah Tony ni? By the way, ada lagi tak? So sebab tadi ada collectible, aku jadi rasa macam nak cari collectible. Jeng. Sudahlah weh. Oh ya, sorry, lupa ada customer. Okay, so siapa ni? Tony. So let's get to business, Gary. Wish. Okay. I saw you come in with some nice green rocks. Get me one of those. Those look nice. Yeah. Of course. Oh. Sudah dah baru. Mana boleh. Nah, bagi dia. Nah, tak nak. Habis tu bagi apa? Ni ke? Itu buat apa ni? Sorry. Lepas tu nak kena bagi apa dia? Aku tak faham. Telefon. Yang ni? Sekejap. Yang ni. Aduh. Okay. Dia nak yang hijau. Yes. That's the good stuff. As good as always, Gary. Good as always. Good. Diam lah Tony. You doing alright, Tony? Oh yeah, I'm doing good. I will be leaving now. I'm going to enjoy this carpet. See you around, Gary. Anehnya Tony ni. Ni siapa pula? You? You know what you're doing is wrong. Yet you still do it. Who are you and what do you want? You know what I want. I want you gone. You and this innocent little business. You've hurt me and now I'm going to hurt you. Soon. Wait. Brother. But. Lah, serabutnya. Jangan tutup. Hey Gary, can you walk me home? I'm scared. That creepy guy came up to me again. He won't leave me alone. Will you help me? Okay lah. Of course then I will get you home safe. Thanks Gary. I feel much safer already. Stay close please. Kita kena teman dia balik guys. Cepatlah tenang. Do you hear that? I'm hearing something weird. Like someone is breathing. You think you can keep hiding behind your rocks, Gary? Every stitch, every pattern, a lie. This boy doesn't know yet, but he will. They all will. Penat. Apa dia ni? I show them what you really sell. Wait, Gary, wait, hey, wait. No, this can't be happening. That man, why is he after me? What does he want with the kid? Hey, I need to lock the store up. I need to think. He doesn't know. He can't know? So kita ni bersalah lah kan? Dah tak boleh lari. Sekejap. Sekejap, tak faham. Third day. Hari ketiga. Oh, apa tu? Okay. Mak kau. Hey Gary. We saw what happened with the boy. Don't worry, Gary. We'll keep your secret. That outsider can't stop us. Yes, Gary. Don't worry. We'll keep an eye out as well. That guy can't stop us. By the way, I really love that rock I bought the other day. The way the material feels so soft like skin. Wait, it's getting dark. I mean, like fine wool, best quality in town. Almond buds. You've always taken care of us, Gary. The others don't understand, but we do. That stranger, he thinks he's helping, but he doesn't seem what you've given this town. But steps closer, lowering his voice. Every rock has its story, and we are proud to walk on them. Okay. Aku nak pilih terasa jijik. Thanks, but I know I can always trust you. Always scary till the end. You've earned that. Siapa Eddie? Gary, I mean, we just want things to stay the way they are. That man, the one asking questions, he's caring too. I don't really understand everything, but if you say it's fine, then I'll trust you. Don't worry, Eddie. You're safe with me. Right, yeah. You've always looked after us. Guess I just get jumpy sometimes. Sorry, Gary. This kota ni, man, this is getting out of hand. If I just keep the store running, they will say everything's fine. Just pretend it's all normal. Yeah, open up, smile, set the rocks like nothing's wrong. Wait, jap. Aku tak kata-kata ni. Jadi kita jual bayar kapet. Dima. Ish, nama. I hear you sell high quality rocks. Yes, I do. You're not far here. Ni lah. That's right. I'm just going home from a road trip. Though I get myself not a nice souvenir. Can you get me a red rock with yellow patterns on it? Okay. Nikah. Good. Okay. This is perfect. I love the colors, especially the yellow. This will look really nice in my house. Kita jual. Ni pasti dia lagi. You should really start being more careful, Gary. Your store was unlocked the whole night. What do? You will find out soon enough. Very soon. Dia adalah kedai kita. Oh, kutip. Okay. Wah, engkau. Hello, Gary. It's time to settle this. You and your business. Tell me who you are. You really don't remember? Of course not. You never remember the face, only the fabric. My name is Daniel. And you turned my wife into one of your rugs. What? Jadi, third day, Daniel's view. Oh my. Oh, so kita jadi Daniel. Dekat mana ni? Please don't hurt me. Why did you take me here? I know you're scared, but I'm not here to hurt you, Tuna. I pulled you out because Gary wants to hurt you. What do you mean? He's just a rock guy. Everyone says he's good to us. That's what they want you to believe. But you felt it, haven't you? The rocks, the smell. Gary makes rocks from people's skin. That's what he did to my wife. And what he will do to you. No, you're lying. That's not real. Gary would never hurt me. It is the truth. But I'm going to end this tonight. I won't let him hurt you or anyone else anymore. I should get the gas can and be on my way to Gary's store. Oh my. This is so dark. Dan bahkan kita bermain sebagai orang yang jahat tu. Time to burn this place down. I should cover this place with gas and set it on fire. Gary is in the back, so I should be quiet. Dah macam apa? Macam professional Tua. Okay, 92 1 Okay. Type to comfort Gary. He should be in the back of the store. Woi, kau tu kerja aku. You finally showed up again. It's time to end this, Gary. End this? You fool. Even if you kill me, That time you still want what I sell. They need me. No, Gary. This Anne is here with us for my wife. Oh, you should just. Huh? Like that. Thanks for playing. Apa yan? Ya Allah, nak nangis. Dia punya aneh tu. So basically kita bermain dari POV sebagai orang jahat yang menjual karpet dari kulit manusia. That's so disgusting. 5/5. Game ni 5/5. Sangat bagus. Maksudnya the storyline. Sebab semua orang dalam kota ni tahu segala-galanya. Oh, ya Allah. Penatnya aku main game ni. Dia terasa exhausted. Tak ada yang perlu diulas. So Okay, never. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Aku dah ulas lah sendiri. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.